Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back, an old man in the land of grills. We got an air fryer. Yeah, in the land of grills. Folks, if you haven't seen this, I've had this for a little bit now, and you're saying, it says Masterbuilt on it. Masterbuilt makes an air fryer? Yeah, they do. And yeah, when this first came out, I paid full price for this thing. I paid $200. And now I get people texting me and sending me messages all the time. I just saw this at Walmart for 65 bucks. And I'm like, hey, that's a great deal for 65 bucks. So if you find one of these, you can pick one up too. If this thing can do a little bit of everything, I've only really played with it with the air fry function, but it can air fry 425, you can see. It has roast, bake, convection, broil, and also dehydrates. It's big, it's over 20 quart. And on the inside, and Tom Horseman YouTube, if you want to see the full review of this, it's got several baskets that come out here, and a bottom basket, which we're going to just use today, because we're going to be doing, yeah, you guessed it, some tater tots. I love my tater tots. Now, one of the reasons I kept this, and remember, this is for outside use only. I'm in the garage right now. You don't take this in the house. The reason I bought it originally was because it had a smoker box on it. And I said, oh man, yeah, an air fryer that smokes. That's awesome. Then we found out that, yeah, it has a smoker box on it. It's small, and I'll show it to you. But it does work, but it doesn't work on its own, so you got to pre-light it. They advertise that it'll heat up on its own and cause smoke. I've had people tell me that it does, and I've tried pellets, I've tried chips. Some people have said sawdust. Nothing that I've tried has worked besides taking a torch and starting it itself. So that part, okay, that didn't work. But it does cook. So we're going to do that today. The reason I kept this, you're saying, well, why did you keep it then? Was if you're outside and say you're using a pellet grill or using one of the kettles or the other Masterbuilt, the Gravity series, sometimes you want to cook sides. And to be able to do it, on something that's outside already, like an air fryer, to do a whole bunch of tater tots or maybe something else, that's why I kept it. So we're going to do tater tots tonight, and I'll tell you what, let me get everything out of there. I'll show you that smoker box, and then we'll get her fired up. All right, a closer look at the trays. Those are individual baskets, so you've got 4 baskets there that you can put stuff on different levels to cook on. And I did a whole bunch of wings in there. It took forever, but it did work. And then you've got this bottom basket, and there's actually a holder in there, and you can see the 4 tabs on the bottom. So you can do like stand up a whole turkey in there, or a chicken or something like that. I've seen some people even try ribs in here. There's the smoke box I was talking to that goes on a hole that's down on the side. You got your grease tray right there. You've got a grease tray right there that comes out. I usually align this with aluminum foil. I won't today for tater tots. And there's your heating elements down there. So, like I said, it does work. It just, like I said, the main reason I got it was because it was supposed to smoke. And it does if you pre-light these. I've left these pellets in there for every cook. And they haven't lit yet. So we'll try it again today. But we're doing tater tots. All right, got our tater tots in there. It's about 1.5 pounds I put in there. And if you're thinking, well, how many could I do total? If you got them stacked up in there, you could probably get 6 pounds in here. And like I said, that'd be a nice side. I did spray the bottom of the basket, some non-stick, just so they don't stick very well. We showed you the heating element on the bottom, and then there's also the big one at the top. That's the one that blows. That one heats, but that heats and blows. To turn it on, it's very simple to use. So turn it on, you can see everything lights up. I got it set at its highest, which is 425, and then I'm just going to press air fry. And there she goes. That's it. I'll give you a look-see in the land of grills as we continue. All right, 15 minutes into it, just wanted to give you a look-see how things are going here. You can hear it running. One of the strange things that this does is when it gets up to temp, it turns the fan off. Now, I'm pretty sure the heating element underneath stays on, but it's kind of strange the first time you do it because there's nothing in the instruction manual that says it's going to do that. And I'm used to a normal air fryer where it stays running all the time, even as the heat cycles on and off. So we'll just take a quick look here. It smells good. You can see the browning up a little bit there. So I'm not expecting this to take a whole lot longer, but we'll give you a look-see or two, and then obviously we'll plate them up. Nothing wrong with this thing. It's just that all I didn't like. And remember, I still have those pellets in. It's at 425, and there's no smoke coming from this. So that was the only disappointment I really had in this. I think it is kind of innovative to have an air fryer that's only for outdoor use. All right, folks, 20 minutes in it. These are getting really close here. See, they're browning up really nice. Probably give them another 5 minutes, and I'll give you a look-see once they're plated up. You know what the funny thing is every so often I get a little bit of whiff of some pellets possibly smoldering. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Take a look. Yeah, there's nothing coming out of there. All right. Well, we knew it didn't work, so give you a look, see when they're done. All right, there's 1.5 pounds tater tots, 25 minutes. Like I said, if you filled up all 4 of the baskets, I believe you could do, well, you could probably do a lot more than 6 pounds, but you got to even them out so they cook evenly. But I'll tell you what, these look mighty tasty. Oh, man. Yeah. Nicely done on the Masterbuilt Air Fryer. Thumbs up. Leave a comment, and as always, folks, appreciate you watching. Thank you.